Only the outer layer of the bamboo is used. It is strong and has just the right amount of resilience. Kondo adds the fine newly split pieces to his sasara to replenish it.
道具がちゃんとしてると道具が仕事をしてくれるので、やっぱり道具はきっちり作らなあかんっていうのは聞いてましたね。
The sasara has removed the dirt, but the wood is still discolored. The strongly alkaline lye has burned the timber. Now he uses diluted oxalic acid to neutralize the lye. In the past, Araya used vinegar. Once Kondo applies the diluted acid, the discolored areas immediately turn lighter.
アルカリ焼けてた色が木の色に戻るってことですね。やっぱりすっきり上がると、全然違いますので、はい、気持ちいいものです。
And thus, years of grime are miraculously removed, and the timber's original hue is on show again. Kondo's dedication to reviving time-worn treasures is evident